There are so many teachers who put lot of efforts behalf of their students, um, and in CNC Web World, my trainer is Shilpa ma'am. Uh, Basically, I am from IT background, but still I have some issues of programming languages, due to which I have faced lot of problems. Then I joined CNC Web World, and big thank you for her to solving our problems and sharing her experience with us, knowledge with us. Ma'am interact with us personally, and solved our problems. Now I have basic knowledge about languages, and it's all because of her. And I want to learn more about these languages from her. Thank you.